What's up, everyone? How y'all doing today? My name is Arif, and this is your Daily Chat Season 6, Episode 11 for May the 17th, 2021. How's everybody doing today? What is going on? We got some good news this morning, and let's just jump into it, because Twitch is lowering the price of subscriptions in, well, for lack of a better word, poor people countries. Yeah, ones like Latin America, Turkey, poor people places. They're lowering it so that way it's now more affordable, and that's a good thing, because in some places, like for example, I think Venezuela, $5, $5 is an absolute crap load of money. It really is. I know that sounds shocking to rich people like myself, but these people struggle for $5, and I can pretend to empathize with that. No, but in all seriousness, I actually can't empathize with that. I've been poor as all hell before. And it is good that they are finally lowering these prices. I think it's great that people in these countries even try and support their favorite streamers or content creators, because it is so hard to make those payments. So this is going to roll out starting out in Mexico on the 20th of May, so 3 days from now. And they'll gradually do it over time. What's nice is Twitch is going to ease the content creators into this kind of new payment platform, because as you can see on the screen, it's going to be about $1.20 American for a Turkish person to get a sub. And that's obviously going to factor into how much the content creator is going to get. Twitch takes about 50% right off the top if you have a bog standard affiliate or entry-level partner contract. And if you get only $1.20, when you normally get $2.50 to begin with, and the sub is only $1.20, you're only going to get 60 cents of that sub. So Twitch has said that they are going to ease people into it. They're going to subsidize the payments over 3 months, and then over 9 months they're going to phase it out, little by little. And that's great. Good on Twitch's part. And I do think this might actually help, boost some content creators. Like, I don't want to say engagement. It's definitely not going to increase their engagement, but it's going to enhance their communities a little bit, because now people who couldn't afford a sub, they can be more part of the community. It's going to be one of those kind of deals. This broke just earlier this morning, and I think it's absolutely fantastic news. But speaking of payments, Twitter is planning to roll out a $2.99 a month subscription called Twitter Blue. And with this subscription, you get access to things like be able to delete your tweet before it goes out. It's called canceling your tweet. So there'll be like a little pocket of a little window time where you can actually delete the tweet before it goes out, so you can catch any spelling errors rather than just having to delete the tweet, which I really don't see the purpose of one way or the other. Just delete the stupid tweet. But the one thing you're not going to get, and it's the thing that people want the most, is the edit button. If Twitter wanted people to throw $2.99 a month at them, they have to give them the edit button. There needs to be a way to edit tweets, because I am horrible for this, but I have my phone here is 7 shades of broken. That's not my dog, by the way. It's my friend's dog. But this is broken right here, okay? Right down here. And this causes me so many problems when I type. It causes spelling errors left and right. I would kill. Not really, actually. It's not really not that big a feature to me. Whatever. That's neither here nor there. I would love to have the edit button. I don't know if I would actually pay $2.99 a month for it, but I don't actually tweet that much. And unlike some people who could use that edit button, who are actual like Twitter content creators, I don't produce that much Twitter content, so I really don't care. But I would like it. And you would think with Twitter Blue, they would do it that way. But I guess that's just not the way the world works. And in our final story, now this is a gearhead topic, but it's one that is near and dear to my heart because I drive manual. I've only driven manual since I was 16 or 18. Since I was 18, I've only driven manual, okay? And I love manual even to this day. So Aston Martin, not great cars, but whatever. They have said that they are going to phase out the manual transmission. We have seen this happening for years now. A lot of your favorite cars have been phasing out the stick shift in favor of the dual clutch, in favor of the paddle shift. They've just been phasing it out, and we're down to a handful of people who still make them. And it's funny because the only cars you really see stick shift in now in North America are super poor people cars like a Ford Fiesta, or little bit of the higher end cars like a Porsche. But everybody's starting to phase them out on the high and mid tiers. And now you see Aston Martin is joining suit. They're going to phase it out before the next Vantage comes out. It's unfortunate. I love manual. Manual is so much fun to drive. And best part too is, because so many people don't know how to drive manual, I have stopped turning off my car. Do you have any idea how much gas I save by not having to turn off and on the car for like these little 2-second trips into like a 7-Eleven? Because I am so confident that the odds of getting my car stolen by somebody who can drive stick shift before I got back out of the store is so low, it's just not even worth my time anymore. It's one of those things, it's really sad to see. I think in Europe, stick shift is still more common than it is here in North America. But here in North America, it's not that common and it is dying out fast. And it's very, very unfortunate. But guys, there is your quick and dirty daily chat for today. If you have anything about the topics talked about today, leave it in the comment box down below. I am actually kind of curious to see what you have to say. What the hell was that? I am kind of curious to see what you guys have to say. Other than that, man, I've been Arif. This has been Daily Chat. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.